ask us if you could add a PayPal button to our pages. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did. So I went on PayPal and I generated a button. Okay, you guys can learn how to do this. Tools, all tools, and you can find out how to make a button. Well, they give me this HTML code here to make this buy now button. I made a product that's $100 just for an example here. So I'm going to come back over here, and you can see I already put one in that page, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to the left-hand side where it says Edit Components, and you see where it says Div Form, D-I-V. I'm just going to drag that into the page. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Edit Content. Okay? And in Tools, it says Source Code. I click on that. I delete what's in the box. I hit Control V and copy the PayPal code that they gave me because I had it copied. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. I hit that. Now you see the PayPal button. Let's test it. So I save it now. And I made a fun little page. By the way, it's 100% fake. No ebook that I make on this. But let me just open up the page. How to win in Las Vegas. Beat the odds 100% of the time and win thousands. Get this ebook that will double your money as soon as you get to Las Vegas. Sounds like an awesome ebook. All right, buy now, just $100, money back guarantee. And then there's a PayPal button. Does it work? I click on it. And it takes me over to PayPal to pay $100. So yes, you can add PayPal buttons to the Conversion Pros. That's how to do it. Super easy, super simple. Our drag and drop system is absolutely awesome.